Good morning, student. Hope you all are fine. Our today's topic is nucleus. Nucleus is a dense protoplasmic body that contains hereditary information for controlling cell activities as well as for transfer to next generation. It is the largest cell structure which is oval or spherical in outline. Nucleus lies in median and or we can say central position in animal and young plant cells. In mature plant cells, the nucleus lies toward the periphery due to formation of large central vacuole. Nucleus and other structures are differentiated in the cell by staining them with iodine, safranin or methylene blue. Lack nuclei at their maturity. For example, RBC in mammals, sieve elements in plants. Cell without nuclei cannot survive for long. One nucleus is present in most of the cells, but some cells may have more than one nucleus. For example, in Paramecium, two nuclei are present. Nucleus is made up of following parts, such as nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromatin material. First, nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is double membrane covering the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It is perforated by several nuclear pores. Nuclear pores allow exchange of materials between the nucleus and cytoplasm. The outer membrane of nuclear envelope is usually connected with endoplasmic reticulum. It also bears ribosomes. Next part is nucleoplasm, or we can say nuclear sap. It is colorless, dense sap found inside the nucleus in which chromatin and nucleolus is suspended. Next part, nucleolus. It is nearly round structure formed inside the nucleus. In certain cases, a nucleus may have more than one nucleolus. Nucleolus is not bounded by membrane. It is rich in protein and RNA. It is site of ribosome formation. Ribosome is helpful in protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. Now, chromatin material. It is the form of an intertwined mass of thread-like structure made up of DNA and protein. Because of its intertwined nature, it is also called chromatin reticulum. During cell division, chromatin become highly condensed, thick rod-like structures known as chromosome. Now, what is chromosome? They are rod-like or thread-like structures which are formed by the condensation of chromatin fiber during cell division and reproduction for equitable distribution of hereditary material. A chromosome consists of two similar threads called chromatids. The two chromatids are attached to one another by the point which is called centromere. The two parts of the chromatids on either side of the centromere are called arms. Chromosomes carry and help the transfer of information of inheritance of characters from parent to their next generation. Chromosomes are made up of DNA molecules and protein. Genetic information is actually contained in DNA, or its full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. The segment of DNA function as gene. Genes are arranged in linear fashion over the DNA or chromosome. They contain all the information necessary for functioning, growth and reproduction of not only of cell but also by the whole organism. A gene is defined as functional unit of DNA or chromosome that carries hereditary information for one or more functions. Function of chromosome nucleus is it carries genetic information. It control the cell, or we can say it is a control center, help in ribosome formation, help in cell division, and also refreshing of chromosome and change in gene produce variation. On the basis of centromere, chromosomes are of 4 types. This is telocentric. The centromere is at the end of the cell. Now this is acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. These are the type of chromosome.